Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you how to buy the cryptocurrency MIR protocol. This we're gonna do on the crypto exchange Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description for registration, you save another 20% so that you actually pay 0.08% on fees, which is pretty low. What you have to do here is just register on Binance, then deposit some money. And after money has arrived, you can start buying MIR by following my guide. How you do this step by step, I will show you now. At first, you click the link in the video description, then you come to the right registration page. The 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated, and there you just create an account. After your account is created, you just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you click here on the menu and then on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit fiat money, so therefore just do it by clicking on this button and also on this one. And if verification is done, you are able to deposit money by clicking here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you can choose your currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer and credit card, and after you just type in this field how much money you want to transfer. If your local currency is not supported, you can also click here on crypto and there you can deposit, for example, Bitcoin. When the money or crypto has arrived, you can now click here on trade and then on convert. Here you can convert your local currency into US dollar tether. And with US dollar tether or Bitcoin, we can now buy MIR protocol. This we're gonna do by clicking here on wallet and then on spot wallet. Here you can see all your fiat balance and crypto balances, and now we can start searching for MIR in this field. Just do it here, and now you can see that we found MIR protocol. To buy it, we just click here on trade, and now we get all the trading pairs we can use to buy MIR protocol. So if you want to use Bitcoin to buy MIR protocol, you click on this one, and if you want to use US dollar tether, you can click here. After you come to the trading view where you can now buy MIR protocol by just scrolling down. Here you click on market order. This means your order will be immediately filled, and there you just type in this field how much US dollar tether, or if you clicked on Bitcoin, how much Bitcoin you want to use to buy MIR protocol. If you want to sell your MIR protocol coins, you can go to the right side and here you can define how much coins you want to sell, and then you click here on sell. Then you go back to the convert page. Here you can now convert your US dollar tether back into your local currency. And if you now want to withdraw your local currency or your Bitcoin, you can click here on buy crypto, then on bank deposit, and here on this page you can just click here on withdraw. There you just type in your bank details or your Bitcoin address, and there you can send back your money. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you liked it. If so, just give the video a like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.